marketing, the ridiculously easy ways to grow your business. It is a highly effective digital marketing strategy. Effective email marketing convert prospects into customers and turns one-time buyers into repeat customers and raving fans. Why you need to build an email list right now? By using this definitive guide to email marketing, you will understand how to build an email list full of targeted leads and buyers, how to optimize your emails for the highest open rate and click-through rates, how to automate the process of nurturing your leads and turning prospects into customers. Sounds good? Why email marketing is important? We have covered the biggest question, what is email marketing, but have not gotten into why email marketing is very important for your business. So let's talk about that right now. Despite the rise of social media and unsolicited spam email, which is a never good marketing strategy by the way, email remains the most effective way to nurture leads and boost customers' loyalty. There are many reasons you should make email marketing one of your top priorities, but here are top 3. Email is the number one communication channel. Did you know that at least 99% of consumers check their emails on a daily basis? That can be said of any other communication channel. Number 2 is you own your list on any social media platform. Your account along with all your fans and posts could be suspended or deleted at any time for no reason, without notice. However, you own your email list. No one can take these leads away from you. Number 3 is email just converts better. People who buy products marked through email spend 138% more than those who do not receive email offers. In fact, email marketing has an ROI, return on investment, of 4,400%. That's huge. And if you are wondering if social media converts even better, think again. The average order value of an email is at least 3 times higher than that of social media. Email is simply the best way to make sales online. Now that you know the importance of email marketing, let's learn the best ways to go. How about it? How email marketing works? Wondering how to get started with email marketing? Email marketing is made up of several moving pieces, but that doesn't mean it has to be complicated. Here's how it breaks down. Start with your list. The bottom line is that you can send out email marketing campaign if you have no one to send them to. And other things to remember is that email marketing won't work if you don't have the right people on your list. That means you need to capture leads to grow your email list with your target audience. For that, there's no better tool than Option Monster. Option Monster is the number one lead generation software. The empower businesses to create stunning opt-in campaigns in a matter of minutes with zero coding skills required. Then, using our highly advanced targeting tools, you can display these campaigns to the right people at just the right time in their customer journey. As a result, you can drastically grow your list with quality leads and see huge increase in your company's profit. Plus, Opt-in Monster integrates with over 30% of most popular email services providers. I hope you liked the video, you enjoyed the video. I'll be right back very soon with another informative video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.